Funny, I was in a restaurant one time and ordered drunken noodles. Of course, I had to go home and try to reproduce them, and they came out absolutely incredibly delicious. So let me show you how to make these. So what I've got here, guys, are some large or some wide rice noodles, and you can pick these up in just about any large Asian store. And if you don't have them, use any kind of rice noodle, or even linguine will do for that matter. So what I'm going to do is pour some hot water over these guys and just let them sit for about 10 minutes, 10 or 15, just until they become soft. Next up, let's make our ever so tasty sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and if you don't have the dark, you can just use the regular. I just like the dark, it's a little bit sweeter. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use white as well. And last but not least, a couple of tablespoons of water. And of course, grab up our spoon and mix this up. And the funny story behind drunken noodles, some people say some guy came home drunk and made them up. I don't know, he must have been fairly coherent because it's a good dish. Others say it just kind of soothes that thirst you get when you get a hangover. I don't know, whatever the story is. Okay, now it's time to fry, so I'm going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Actually, it's not a pan, it's a wok, but you can use a pan. In with a small chopped onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Some red bell pepper and some hot pepper flakes, about a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes. And I'm just going to stir and saute this for a few minutes. Now I use bell pepper and chili flakes here. It really should be hot chilies, but I didn't have them, so if you have hot chilies, go ahead and use them. Next, in with about 3/4 of a pound of thinly sliced beef. Now you can use chicken, prawns, lamb, whatever you like here, any kind of protein. And we'll just stir this around and let it cook just for a few minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll add these noodles in. Pour that incredibly delicious sauce over. Oh, this already smells so good, guys. And we'll gently give this a quick toss until those noodles are completely covered with that sauce and they're heated through. Now we'll garnish this up with some basil. It actually should be Thai basil, but I'm just going to use regular. I don't have any. And I should mention too that you can add in broccoli, bok choy, whatever you like in here as well. And some fresh chives right from the garden. And we'll give this one more quick gentle toss. And we'll kill the heat here, guys. And this smells absolutely drunken delicious. Yeah, it smells incredible, actually. And there you have it, guys, our drunken noodles. Oh, just look at this, guys. Absolutely incredible. Okay, let's grab these up, guys, and see what we've got. Oh, just look at this. All right, let's give this a taste. Guys, this is just heavenly. I just love that sauce. The noodles are well cooked, the beef is tender. And it's got that little bit of a tang to it. It's difficult to describe, but it is so good. I can see why I'd want to eat this drunk. I'm gonna have more.